Alright, so I gotta be completely honest. This website right here almost feels illegal. I know people say that all the time in videos and everything, to get clicks and to get views and stuff, but I am so serious. Alright, I literally come over here to 3NGN. Alright, clicked on the idea library. I scrolled through all these different ideas because that seems to be one of the biggest things for people who create websites and stuff or apps or anything. All right, it's the simple, just trying to figure out what to build, right? Because once you build so many websites, you're just like, man, I don't know what to build anymore. So then you're asking ChatGPT constantly, hey, give me a list of, website ideas, blah, 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 blah. Well, with this website right here, you just come in here, you just choose one that you want to do, like for instance a Q&A forum, right? You click it, it gives you right here, describe the website you want to build. It puts in one little bitty sentence. It adds all the features, the authentication, login plus register, email, password, social. All right, so you can sign in with Facebook or sign in with Google. All right, and it creates your admin dashboard. It creates your light and dark mode, leaderboard. All right, so then you just click generate full stack, and it will literally give you something that looks like this. All right, so you got your first prompt, your UI prompt, all right, which is basically the overall look of the website. Then the back end prompt, where it prompts together Supabase and your authentication and the email and the passwords, and it defines the roles and it sets everything up for you, right? So you don't have to be tedious and you don't have to do it. All right, so then it gives you tests, all right, a test prompt that you can enter into it. It will create a user. It'll test the login, the logout flows. It'll test everything. All right, then if you want to add a website, like the home page, come over here to copy pack, and there's the prompt right there for your home page. All right, so all I did was I come over here, I click copy. I got that prompt right there. I come over here to Lovable, clicked on it, added it to it. All right, now look, I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna scroll up a little bit right here. This is all I did. You see how quick I just scrolled up? I literally just put in my first prompt. It said, okay, it thought for 22 seconds. It built it out. All right, I enabled the cloud. It went on ahead, it built it. It added everything, the entire UI. It designed it. I put in the second prompt right there. Put in the second prompt. It attached everything. I put skip stripe, right? Because I don't see the need for that right now. Right? So then it built it. Boom, that's it. It's done. Alright, then, well, there at the end of it, I was like, add some demo content. Just so that way it looks full. Alright, but that's pretty much a wrap right there, dude. That is a whole website. Alright, you got to ask a question. You put the title, the details, the tags, post question. Alright, the tags, leaderboard. You got your admin area. You can switch from light to dark. You got your profile. Alright, whenever you click on one of these, let's click on this one right here. Let's go with this one. Alright, boom, there's the post. Oh, your answer. Yeah, this is good stuff. Post answer. Answer posted. Scroll on down. This is good stuff. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and upvote my own comment. I mean, dude, that is insane. Like literally 2 prompts. I got a fully working website right now that I could turn around and I could sell. I can give this thing away. I can freaking publish this and make it an actual website. Go ahead and link a domain name to it and boom, send traffic. Well, I can do anything I want. But anyways, the website that I used was 3ngn.com. It's basically engine. Alright, so engine.com is what I used. But Alright, this is my first video. I'll see y'all in a second.